Hello and welcome to Volkswagen Van Centre Lancashire. My name is Josh. I'm going to give you a tour of this Volkswagen Caravelle Executive. So this is a 199 PS 7-speed DSG. So we'll start at the front there. You've got your LED headlights. Just down at the bottom there, you've got your front parking sensors. Coming around to the side, you've got your 18-inch alloy wheels. Now in the driver's seat, you've got your wing mirror controls, your automatic headlight switch. You've got your digital cockpit there, and the vehicle's done 4,708 miles. You've got your leather multifunction steering wheel just there. In the middle, you've got your DAB digital radio, you've got your media, you can select your source there, your phone connectivity, your navigation system, App Connect for connecting your Apple or Android phone, you've got your car information and your menu just there. Just down here, you've got your buttons for your parking sensors and your park assist, and for your electrically operated doors, just press the button and they open and close. Just in the middle, you've got your 3-zone air conditioning controls, as well as your heated seats for both the front seats, separately controlled. Got your heated windscreen button just there. If you see, if you put the vehicle into reverse, got your rear view camera on there. There's your shifter for your 7-speed DSG gearbox. To the side, you've got your 2 USB-C ports, a 12-volt socket up here, cup holders on both sides of the dash. You've got your glove box just there. As you can see, you've got leather seats with armrests, 7 seats in total. As you can see, you finished in Mojave beige metallic paint. If you give the handle a pull on the side there, it opens on its own. You've got your table in the middle, which does fold down and fold away. 2 seats in the second row, 3 seats in the third row. You've got more USB-C ports down there. Close the door, you just pull the handle. Coming round to the back, you see you've got your tailgate there, your rear view camera just under there. To open the tailgate, just pull on the latch there, and that'll open on its own as well. You see you've got your lights and your vents in the roof, and then you've got the rest of your seats just there. To close the tailgate, simply press this button, making it nice and easy for closing the tailgate. Coming around to the passenger side, got a slender on this side as well, operated the same way, just pull the handle. And close the same way by just pulling the handle as well. If you open the passenger door, open this flap here, you can see you've got your diesel and your AdBlue fill-up points. You've got a view of the cab there from the passenger side. If you would like any more information about this vehicle, please do not hesitate to give us a call on 01772 911 356. Thank you for watching.